Viewers, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has issued an advisory to online curated content publishers and self-regulatory bodies, urging them to strictly adhere to Indian laws and the Code of Ethics outlined in the Information Technology Rules 2021. This advisory emphasizes the need for ensuring that content on all OTT platforms complies with the country's regulations, particularly in relation to issues of decency, obscenity and sensitivity. Just moments ago, the big statement that came in from the side of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, where they've issued an advisory to all online curated content publishers and self-regulatory bodies. The ministry has urged them to strictly adhere to Indian laws and the Code of Ethics outlined in the Information Technology Rules 2021. This comes at the heels of the crackdown on Ranveer Allahabadiya and people alike who made obscene remarks on YouTube. Being joined by my colleague Rakshita to get us more updates on the recent advisory by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Rakshita, tell us more about this.
Absolutely. Of course, remember, this is coming in on the heels of the controversy surrounding the India's Got Latent and the show hosted by Samay Raina. Remember, he also, after the controversy, deleted all the videos, as the Maharashtra Cyber Cell was, of course, investigating all of them and investigated all the episodes as well. And there has been a huge row over why such content is available so easily. Now, the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has stepped in and issued this advisory for OTT platforms, urging stricter age-based restrictions, classification, in fact, age-based classification of the content and compliance with the IT Act. The operative part, if I talk about, is how they want that, of course, the members of parliament have also discussed this about the vulgar content. And now, in this regard, the part 3 of the IT Rules 2021, that OTT platforms should not transmit any content which is prohibited by law, undertake age-based classification of content based on general guidelines provided in the schedule to the rules, implementation of access control mechanism for A-rated content, to restrict access to such content by a child and also exercise due caution and discretion. And also further, the rules provide that self-regulatory bodies of the OTT must also oversee and ensure the alignment and adherence to these laws and the rules, the Code of Ethics, very importantly. Attention also invited to the provisions of Indecent Representation of Women Act. This is obscenity, explicit content, and also the POCSO Act and IT Act. It's a punishable offence, publication of obscene and pornographic content. Also, that there should be approval of a competent authority and publishing content for the platforms, including stricter adherence of the age-based classification, as I said earlier. So this is, of course, now the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting stepping in, because there has been a huge debate over how such content has become so rampant, how it is easily available. And, of course, it creates a huge impact on the society. Just days before, we saw the Supreme Court also, as it blasted Ranveer Allahabadiya for his indecent remarks and how it affects the society as well. It also urged the central government to bring in stricter laws, and henceforth we see that the ministry has also stepped in and called for stricter adherence of the rules.